This is the ACO Botany switches, one of the latest switches from ACO. The ACO Botany switch is a linear switch with a mid-pitch sound compared to the Rosewood switches, and with a clear bottom-out sound profile. The color of the switch is inspired by Haworthia cooperi in a light bluish-green pattern. The switch features a custom nylon pro stem, a PA12 top cover, and a PA6 bottom housing, creating a unique material combination. The operating force is at 38 grams, and the total travel is at 3.6mm with a pre-travel of 0.6mm. Now, let's hear how it sounds with the ACO 5075S board, stock and with 2 layers of tape. I'll be making a different video for this keyboard on a later day, so please be sure to leave a follow so you will see that next video. So that's the ACO Botany switches. Big thanks to ACO for sending this out for me to create content with. See you in the next one. Bye.